Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to guide you step by step on how to choose the right browser for you. Step 1. Determine your needs. The first thing you need to do is to determine your needs. Are you a casual user who only checks emails and social media? Do you need a browser for work-related tasks such as online meetings and document collaborations? Or are you a power user who streams online content and plays games? Step 2. Know your options. After knowing your needs, it's time to know your options. There are several browsers out there that cater to different needs and preferences. Some of the most popular are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Apple Safari, and Opera. Step 3. Consider speed and performance. One of the most important factors you need to consider is speed and performance. You want a browser that loads web pages quickly and smoothly. You can check browser speed tests online to see which browser performs the best. Step 4. Check security and privacy features. Another important consideration is security and privacy features. Look for a browser that has built-in protection against malware and phishing sites. Check the browser's privacy features like ad blocking and tracking protection. Step 5. Evaluate user interface. The user interface should also be taken into account. A user-friendly interface can make your browsing experience smoother and more enjoyable. You can try out different browsers and see which one you find the most comfortable to use. Step 6. Check cross-platform compatibility. If you're a multi-device user, you should choose a browser that is compatible across different platforms. You can choose a browser that can sync your bookmarks, history, and preferences across devices. So, those are the steps on how to choose the right browser for you. We hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.